ImageLine just came with a brand new FL Studio update and it will absolutely crush other DAWs. Okay, that might be over the top, but I promise it's really good. This update is huge, so I will only cover the biggest stuff today, which is gonna blow your mind, by the way. Starting with number 1. When you start up FL Studio, it will open up a welcome window, which you can use to open up one of your recent projects. You can of course also choose one of your templates on the right side. This is incredibly useful and I'm so happy that they added this feature. Number 2. You can now customize some of the keyboard shortcuts in FL Studio. It's not a lot, but it's something. Just go to General Settings and scroll down to the Input tab. In here, find Manage Keyboard Shortcuts. These are the few actions you can adjust to your liking. It's not that customizable, but I really hope that they're gonna add full custom shortcuts, just like in Adobe Premiere Pro, for example. That would be amazing. Number 3. Free FL Cloud plugins. This is what sets FL Studio apart from other DAWs. Every FL Studio user now gets free plugins from the FL Cloud feature, and if you're subscribed, you will get so much more. And it's not even expensive. First, go to the Tools menu on top and find FL Cloud. Then click on Plugins. Alright, now once you're logged in, you'll get this window. These are all the plugins that you normally have to pay a lot for, and you can just access them for free. And if you're subscribed, you'll get like all of these amazing plugins. This is one of the best things ImageLine has done to FL Studio, and I think FL Cloud is wonderful. Speaking of plugins, good ones are hard to find. This is an instrument called Loi Panda. It's great for trap, hip-hop, and of course lo-fi. It has bass, drums, and tons of incredible instruments. Built-in effects that are super easy to use, especially if you're new to creating your own sounds. If you don't know how to use a synthesizer, this is the best plugin you will ever get. I promise you, you'll love it. Link down below. Number 4. In the piano roll, there's now a feature called Note Repeat. You can use it to quickly create hi-hat rolls, for example. To use this feature, open up the bottom menu and find Note Repeat. The higher you drag this line, the more repetitions your note will get. That is a nice little extra. You can also access this from the graph editor in the channel rack. This is super cool because I can now make cool rough patterns without having to use the piano roll. That is just awesome. Number 5. An AI-powered tool that generates chord progressions for you. To use this one, hit Alt+P on your keyboard. All you now need to do is press the Generate button and poof, there they are. You can use this slider to get more generic or more adventurous chord progressions. And you can also regenerate individual chords like this. You can do so much more with this tool, but that's for another video. Now, there's so much more to learn about this update, but in the meantime, learn how to mix and master your beats like a pro. Thank you guys so much for watching.